Since 1987, the Compass has been by far the most successful computer-controlled pastry sheeter worldwide. With Compass 3000, Rondeau Doge is introducing a new generation of this very successful machine. It offers the most advanced technology at a competitive price. With its robust stainless steel substructure, 640 millimeter wide conveyor belts, 90 millimeter opening of safety guards, easy handling, and its high and variable sheeting speed, Compass 3000 is an ideal machine for industrial pastry production. On the other hand, thanks to its versatility of 70 programs and its compact size, it's also an ideal machine for medium and large-size craft bakers. Compass 3000 processes all types of pastry, such as puff, croissant, Danish, yeast, short, pizza, and even the increasingly popular thin doughs. Working on a Compass is child's play. The operator simply selects the desired program. On the display, all important data appear, such as program name and number, type of program, starting and final roller gap, rate of reduction, width control, and program end. Pressing the Start button is all that's required. The program is then carried out automatically. No further manipulation or monitoring is needed. The operator can simultaneously carry out other tasks. Junior staff can handle the Compass perfectly, freeing your qualified personnel for more demanding operations. Labor cost savings of up to 50% are easily achieved. Each of the 70 programs always provides the correct reduction steps, which means consistent, gentle sheeting of the dough, and thus consistent quality. For all operations, there is a suitable process. For booking, the machine stops when the end of the dough band is clear of the safety guard, and in an ideal position for folding. Multi-programs are linked single programs and are used when several different operations are performed directly one after the other. For example, pre-sheeting, then placing of fat, and subsequently laminating. A most efficient and time-saving working method. During the sheeting process, the machine provides useful information. For example, it indicates when the desired width has been reached, and the dough has to be turned. With the automatic dough reeler, the dough band is reeled gently and without creating any tension. Working with width control is especially useful where production lines have to be fed. The dough bands are neither too narrow nor too wide. Side trimmings are reduced to a minimum. Let's have a closer look at the automatic reeler. For this purpose, we're sheeting a 20-kilo dough block. During the sheeting process, our reeling device is inactive. Other systems are running during the entire sheeting process and throwing flour dust into the air. Only for the actual reeling process is our device engaged. The major part of the reeling process is carried out on the conveyor belt. Therefore, the reeling is gentle. Dough band length is virtually unlimited. For sheeting of short doughs, there are several techniques. We can either select an appropriate roller reduction program and at the end reel the dough semi or fully automatically. Or we can remove the scraper on the infeed side and sheet the dough to final thickness in one pass. Would you like to sheet multiple dough pieces in 1 or 2 passes? This also is possible on the compass. We select for this purpose the calibrating mode and deactivate the photo cells. Further proof of the versatility of Compass 3000. The opening of the safety guards is 90 millimeters and they're equipped with inlet rollers. Therefore, even very high dough blocks can be processed. For programming the Compass 3000, no special knowledge is required. Flashing symbols guide step by step through the process. The speed of the compass is variable and can be selected from a minimum of 50% to a maximum of 100%. These pictures show the difference between maximum and minimum speed. Standard doughs can be sheeted at maximum speed, whereas a slower speed is preferred for delicate doughs. Compass 3000 provides the ideal speed for any type of dough. By a keyboard appearing on the screen, each program can be given a name. The programs can then be selected from a menu. When sheeting the first dough piece in a new program, the flour duster is programmed simultaneously. The dusting width can be adjusted to the width of the dough band. Flour is dusted evenly and accurately over the entire dough sheet. Prevents flour from escaping into the air. A reduction of up to 57% of flour dust in the atmosphere has been measured. The Rondo Flour Duster provides a considerable improvement in air quality and a significant reduction in flour consumption. Special dough may require special reductions. For this purpose, Compass 3000 provides 20 additional programs of the Man Auto type. In this mode, the reduction steps are selected and refined manually and then registered in a Man Auto program. Here, an example of the use of such a program. Certain thin doughs have to be sheeted more than once, at the minimum thickness of 0.2 millimeters. By repeated reversals, possible only in the Man Auto mode, the dough sheet is slightly stretched and becomes paper thin. Such a demanding process is feasible only thanks to the precision of Rondo machines. Consistency and dough temperature can change from one day to another. To take into account these variations, the initial roller opening, the final roller gap, and the roller reductions can be adjusted in a simple and quick way by temporary corrections. The machines are equipped with a new scraper system consisting of 4 identical and therefore interchangeable scrapers. For their daily cleaning, removal is quick and easy and does not require any tools. The upper scrapers are connected with the upper roller, providing consistent pressure for all roller openings. Only clean photocells guarantee a perfect functioning of electronic sheeters. On the Compass 3000, the cells are automatically cleaned on every dough passage. Considerable advantage is gained over machines without automatic photocell cleaning. Operator safety is foremost with Rondo machines. They're built according to the European machine manufacturer standards and comply with all international regulations. Start and stop controls are separate. A program can be interrupted and restarted at any point. After a safety guard stop, the machine does not restart unless the start button is positively pressed. The safety guards are long enough to prevent unintentional touching of the rollers. There are finger protections at the idler rollers. Conspicuous labels warn of incorrect handling. These warnings have to be observed. With a computer-controlled Compass 3000, your entire production can be handled with a minimum of personnel. For working with a Compass, no special qualification or training is required. Junior staff can correctly use the machine from the beginning. Labor cost reductions of up to 50% are attainable. Compass 3000 knows no Mondays, no Fridays, no holidays, and never calls in sick. It sheets the dough every day in the same manner. Consistent dough bands, and thus consistent products, are welcomed results. Since 1983, we manufacture computer-controlled sheeters. We have by far the most experience worldwide. Confide in our experience, in the quality and the proverbial reliability of Rondo machines. Confide in Compass 3000 and make an investment that will start paying back immediately. Rondo Dodge, your partner.